demo for you tonight on the ranch here. Everybody, he's back. Say hello to Sergeant Pyro.
Hello.
Oh, Sergeant Pyro. So many people have been asking about TNT me. And there's a video that I just did at one of the grocery stores, Fry's here in Phoenix. These guys, you can get these for $1. I would buy as many as you can. 10, 20, 30. This is one of the most amazing deals. It's a short stack, but it can perform. Now, I don't remember if there's a performance on it. Let's just flip around. Here it is. There it is. Now, I'm going to try to keep this here. And it says snow pine with blue sparks and caracoles. All right, so you can see it there. If not, get to the store. This is the best deal. This little guy kicks. Gonna do 2. You can fuse them up, and you could do 10. You could do 20. What a show! So we're gonna head out to the streets. And Sergeant Pyro, you ready?
Yeah.
He's always ready. We'll see you in a minute. Sergeant Pyro's here. Now, you know what, Sergeant Pyro? I think you can get both of them, right? He's pretty quick. Let's see. Okay. There we go. Beautiful. Yeah, these are each $1. Whoa! Hey, Reddy went longer than Lefty, huh?
Yes,
and you know what's cool? We even got a little tiki torch. All right, so you know the drill. TNT, pick these up. They're only $1.